If you've been to Midland Harbour, you've no doubt seen this boat. It's quite unmistakable, really. It's named the MV Prescottant, and it's a private vessel, so you can't go on it, but the owner graciously allowed us to check it out. Here we are on board this beautiful vessel, the MV Prescottant. Am I saying that right?
You're saying it right.
And Paul Gaynor, you're the owner. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming.
So tell me about this. It's a historic boat. I can't imagine it looked like this when you got it.
It certainly didn't look like this. It was an industrial tug built by the Canadian Pacific Railroad to move rail cars between Prescott and Ogdensburg. And when I got it, it was definitely a rust bucket heading for the scrapyard.
It's from Prescott, Ontario. Okay, you probably figured that out yourself for the name. Okay, that's embarrassing. I was like, how do you say this name? Yeah, Prescott, Ontario. Okay, I got it. All right, we're fine now. I get it. So it was headed for the scrapyard. So here's a question I'm sure you got from friends and family and neighbors. Why?
Why? Yes, I do get that question a lot. And my answer is basically midlife crisis.
If this is what a midlife crisis looks like, sign me up.
Well, it was. We're running, I think I calculated around 3,000 square feet, not counting the engine room.
That's exactly double my house.
Yeah, yeah.
It's quite the boat.
Yeah.
Is this single screw? Has it got thrusters, anything like that? Just
It has a thruster that we had to put in, a bow thruster, but it is single screw.
So what are we looking at performance-wise? What is this cruise at?
A nice cruise speed is about 9.5 knots.
Really? This is a giant boat, huge engine, but a pretty Spartan. It was all you need, right? You got.
That's all I need. So I got throttle. I got GPS that links to the computer underneath and the tracking software, radar, and rudder indicator, gauges for the engine, right? And I carry another laptop for backup navigation.
And you got the little marine wheel, but the steering control, you just do the little toggle?
Yeah. So I have a wheel, a toggle, and the autopilot.
What do you use more, the wheel or the toggle?
Toggle.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's so much easier.
Oh my good gravy. This is cleaner than my entire boat. You're not rolling on that. Okay. Well, you know, I'm going to clean it. It's fine. You'll see. Holy. Okay, Paul, when I buy your boat, I will be hiring a mechanic because this is taller than me.
Well, and it goes down another 2 feet too. So
what are we looking at here? How many horsepower? This
is about almost 700 horsepower at max speed. I probably use 300 or 400. That's about it. It's a Cleveland 278A V8 for each one of these is a piston. Very, very easy to use engine, very easy to repair.
Really?
Oh yeah, very simple. I mean, you're sort of awed by it right now, but after a while, it's very, very simple.
And so you got a great spot here. You know, we got the park, and you're right downtown. but you leave the dock. This is like the engine room, as clean and beautiful as it is functioning, right?
Totally, 100%.
And so now it's all done, you're selling it.
I am.
Why?
I'd like to get something a little smaller.
Okay, understandable.
No, I'm getting on now. It's time to pass it and divest of. You know, I don't want to have it left. Have my wife have to get rid of it when I'm gone.
Well, your work is absolutely stunning. Whoever gets this is getting a real treat, and I thank you again for letting us on board.
My pleasure. Thank you.
I don't know. I might to apologize to my wife. This is looking more and more like a good investment. Our home is garbage because it's not on the water. We can't take it anywhere.
Are you getting that?
Uh-oh. Witness. Wait, cut.